So in this video, we are looking at a narrow CPR scan for a bearish stocks where 3 CPRs are going down. Okay, so here we are stocks. So I'm going to sort by put sizzle index. Okay, so highest put. So you can see that HPI. Okay, so low price stocks. Let's go to the next one. VFC chart. VFC. Looks like this is not a good one. VXX. VXX. Okay, here looks like it's going down. Okay, you can see the CPR going down. You see bullish, bearish. So VXX is one good one for you to go short. Okay, next one. SE. So this is not a good setup. U. Okay, this is also not good setup. CVNA. Plug. CVNA. You can see CPR going down, but the trend's up. So you have to be careful. But all higher time frames are red. Plug. Only one good one is VXX. Okay. Thanks for watching the video.